Okay, pa. So listen. So in this video we are going to see how to write the road map. So this carries 3 marks. Definitely it will be asked in your exam. Okay. So this is simple. Nothing to worry. It will be very simple. Giving directions is sometimes not an easy job. Here is an example of how to give directions. See, in this map they have given many places like Summer Street, Main Street, bakery, bank, grocery store, Smith Street, library, hospital, park, shopping mall. So like this many places were given. See, look at the instructions. You are waiting for your friend Raja at the shopping mall. So where is the shopping mall? See, where is the shopping mall in this picture? See, here is the shopping mall. Okay. See, this is the shopping mall. You are waiting for your friend Raja at the shopping mall. He will get down from the bus at the bus stop in the main street. So, where is main street? This is the main street. ஸோ உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்டு எங்கே இறங்க போகிறாங்க? மெயின் ஸ்ட்ரீட்டில் இருக்க இந்த பஸ் ஸ்டாப் கிட்டே இறங்க போகிறாங்க. ஓகே. ஸோ கெட் டவுன் அப்படின்னா இறங்குறது, பஸ்ஸில் இருந்து கீழே இறங்குறது. தட் இஸ் கெட் டவுன் ஃப்ரம் த பஸ் அட் த பஸ் ஸ்டாப் இன் மெயின் ஸ்ட்ரீட். Give him directions to reach the mall. So he has to come from this bus stop to the shopping mall. So give directions. So எப்படி கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னு பாரு. After you get down, walk forward along the main street and cross. So after you get down, walk forward along the main street and cross the Smith Street at the zebra crossing. So this is the white lines is the zebra crossing இல்லையா? So cross the Smith Street at the zebra crossing. You can see a so you are getting down from the bus at the bus stop. Okay. Next, walk forward along the main street. So this is the main street. So walk forward along the main street and this is the Smith Street. So cross the Smith Street at the zebra crossing. So this white lines is the zebra crossing. So in the இடத்துல cross the Smith Street. Okay. And you can see a hospital to your left. So cross panna you can see a hospital here in the left side. Walk straight. So walk straight and you can see the park to your left and also you can see a park in your left side and cross the road at the second zebra crossing. So இங்கே 3 zebra crossing இருக்குது. நம்ம பட் நம்ம பஸ் ஸ்டாப் விட்டு இறங்கினதுக்கப்புறம் இது ஃபஸ்ட்டு zebra crossing, this is second zebra crossing, right? So cross the road at the second zebra crossing. Here we have to cross the road to reach the shopping mall opposite to the park. Okay, so reach the, so when you cross this second zebra crossing, you can we can see the shopping mall which is opposite to the park. I will be waiting at the entrance. So நாங்க entrance-லயே wait பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். Can you understand? See, here they have given as paragraph but you have to write as points. Minimum 6 points should be there. Okay. So எப்படி எழுதணும்னா so like this you can mark something. You can star or do something like this. So get down from the bus, walk along the main street, cross the Smith Street at the zebra crossing, second point. Third point, so cross Smith Street at the zebra crossing, you can see a hospital to your left, second point. Third point, walk straight and you can see the park to your left. Fourth point, cross the road at the zebra crossing. Okay. Next, fifth point, the shopping mall is opposite to the, you can find the shopping mall opposite to the park. That is fifth point. Like that you can complete with 5 definitely 5 instructions should be there. So 5 instructions கொடுக்க முடியலன்னா 5 instructionsல complete பண்ண முடியலன்னா you can go for one more, that is 6th instruction. Understand? See here, a road map is given below. Answer the questions that follow with the help of the road map. Work in pairs and discuss to give directions to get to one place from another. See here, many places were given like market, library, bakery, art gallery, swimming pool, bank, bookshop, police station, museum, school, hotel, post office, shoe shop, gift shop, hospital, pharmacy, South Road, Park Street, North Road, George Street, Central Avenue. So many places were given. See, question is given for you. What is the first question is, you are at the market. So here you are at the market. You need directions to go to the pharmacy. So here is the pharmacy. You have to reach the pharmacy. You have to give directions. See, there are many ways. You can come like this. You can come like this. You can come like this. Okay, so like that many directions you can give. Look at the next one. You are in a bookshop. So where is the bookshop? Where is it? You are in the bookshop. Ask your partner to direct you to the art gallery. So here is the art gallery. You can go straight like this, or you can go straight like this, or you can go like this. Okay, next, what is the third question? Third question is, give your partner the directions to go from the bank to the hotel. So where is the bank? Here is the bank. You have to go to the hotel. Okay, so we can choose like this, or we can choose like this. You should not choose like this. Sariya? So because it will be the longest way, bank to the hotel abdina, you should not go like this. Okay, so next one, direct your partner from the post office to the market. So where is the post office? Where is it? Here is the post office. So post office to the market. So here is the market. So we can simply choose like this, or you can choose like this. Okay, next, fifth question. Your partner wants to go to the library from school to library. So here is the school. Where is the library? So here is the school and here is the library. We can either go like this or go like this. Okay, so 5 road maps were given for you. You have to write the instructions in 5 sentences. So let me explain one for you. Okay, so which shall I explain? Shall I explain first one? So first one, you are at the market. You need directions to go to the library. So you are here. First point, எப்போவுமே என்ன எழுதணும்னா, step down the road. மார்க்கெட்லேருந்து step down the road. Okay. So suppose in some road maps they will be giving persons like this. இப்படி கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க, picture கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. Suppose inside கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா, you have to write step down the park street. Okay, suppose இந்த picture வந்து ரோட்லையே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா, நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ண தேவையில்லை, step down அப்படின்னு எழுத தேவையில்லை. Okay va? So here they have given generally, they have not marked anything. So here no need to write. Okay, so அப்படியே எழுதுவோம். But definitely in your exams they will be giving using this picture like man, like a person. Okay, so that you have to follow what I have said. So you are in the market, you have to reach the pharmacy, right, from this corner to this corner. So what way I am choosing is, first one, so this is the market. Okay, so from the market we can go straight in the Park Street. Okay, turn left, take left turn at the museum in the Central Avenue Road. Okay, walk straight, walk straight, cross the school and the shoe shop. Okay, so cross the south road, cross the south road and walk straight. You can see pharmacy on your right. You can see the pharmacy on your right. So நீங்கள் இப்படி இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் எழுதுறீங்கன்னா என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Walk straight crossing the Park Street. Okay, walk straight along the George Street, crossing the North Road. You can see hotel on your right side. Walk straight, cross the South Road. You can see gift shop and cross the gift shop and hospital in your which side? Left side. Okay, cross the gift shop and hospital in the left side. You can see pharmacy in your pharmacy on the left side. So like this you have to write 5 or 6 instructions. Okay, so this will be easy. You can see many more examples which will be given in your guide. Okay, so it will be very still more clear in your guide. So guide pathina you can get better understanding. You can see extra road maps given in your guide. Okay, so answer all this 5 questions very neatly. Don't write just for formality. Okay, so this is how you have to write the road map which carries 3 marks. Hope you can understand. Thank you.